Welcome to our guide on selecting the perfect budget-friendly cooker hood. Whether you're renovating or simply upgrading, finding a balance between cost and performance is key. First, let's explore the types: chimney, visor, integrated, and downdraft models. Each offers unique benefits depending on your kitchen layout and style. Next, consider extraction versus recirculation systems. Extraction hoods effectively remove air outside, while recirculation models filter and recirculate it back into your kitchen. Suction power is crucial, measured in cubic meters per hour. Match this with your kitchen size for optimal performance. And don't forget about noise levels. Aim for quieter models in the 50 to 70 decibel range to maintain a peaceful home environment. Filter choice also matters. Charcoal filters are ideal for recirculating systems, while metal filters suit extraction models. Ensure your hood fits the width of your stove and complements your kitchen's energy efficiency needs. Budget is always a consideration. Compare features within your price range to find the best value. Finally, consider installation options like wall-mounted or under cabinet and ease of maintenance for long-term satisfaction. For more personalized advice, reach out to Appliance Repair Coquitlam. We're here to help you make the best choice for your home. Thank you for watching.